popcorn stitch will usually specify how many single crochets are in it. So for this example, we're doing a 4 single crochet popcorn stitch. What that means is that you will insert your crochet hook into the next stitch and do 4 single crochets into this single stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now open up that loop, take your crochet hook out, and find the very first stitch that we completed there. That's this one here. Insert your crochet hook underneath that stitch and put the loop back on and then tighten again. Now we just yarn over and pull it through both of those and we've completed the popcorn stitch. It can be a little tricky to find the next stitch that you're going into and also to find the first one, so I suggest using a stitch marker. And for the next one, it can help to kind of put your crochet hook behind it after you've inserted it. And then you can keep going as usual.